5-minute gratitude meditation. Thank you for coming into this practice. Thank you for being here. As you fill your heart and your world with gratitude, you impact all of those around you in a positive way. You are loved. You are peace. You are thankful. For a few moments, gather your attention and center yourself. Center your focus and center your breath. Focus on the rise and fall of your chest. And as you do, say thank you for your ability to breathe without thinking. Now, try and remember your first memory of being thankful for something or someone. Bring yourself back to your childhood. What was something that really stands out for you, that warms your heart, that makes you just want to say thank you? Visualize every detail of that experience right now. Very well. Carry this experience, this image with you throughout your day. If you find yourself beginning to stress or worry, bring this image to the forefront of your mind. Pause, stop, and close your eyes as needed. Focus your attention on that visualization for 17 seconds. What you will notice is more thoughts like that will attach itself, and you will again be filled with gratitude and thankfulness. You see, it's easy to focus on what's not going right. Our brains are hardwired to focus on the negative. But you know that in order to live a joy-filled life takes practice and consistent attention on all that is well in your life. Bring your awareness back to your breath, the here, the now, the love, and the light. Place your hand on your heart and say thank you to yourself or out loud. Now go out and enjoy your gratitude-filled day. Namaste.